Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the battery health of your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to Battery and tap on it. In the battery settings, tap on Battery Health. You can now see your iPhone battery's maximum capacity. If you go back to the battery page, you can see a summary of your battery usage and also which apps use the most battery. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.